So this is a great stand you've got here at the STOM Expo. But why did you take the decision to come here, and what do you think of the event so far?
Well, I have to say I'm quite impressed about the event. I was not expecting that it will be over 600 exhibitors today. And I'm quite satisfied with the organization. The people here from the city of Kielce are quite open, quite proactive. They help a lot with the establishment of the booth and so on. So I think that's the main reason why this show has grown a lot in the past years. And I think this is the first year after the pandemic in which really trade shows are taking a big impact into the Polish market again.
And I just want to talk a bit about your stand, because your stand looks amazing. We've got paintings that have been hand done, and the entire stand is just all about the art of CNC machining.
That's right, Tom. Yeah, we try to communicate that passion that we people that have been sitting in this branch for some years need to feel proud of. Yes, and sometimes CNC machining is something we just give for granted, but there is a whole lot of things behind it. And when you really look into it deeper, you realize that CNC machining is not far away from making a painting. And the painting is something that everyone actually is able to appreciate and say how beautiful it is. But a CNC machine part, maybe not so much. But the amount of work and the amount of diligent work, precision, engineering behind it can be compared with a beautiful art painting. So we try to put these two worlds together to try to communicate that passion that we feel for CNC machining. And that same passion that has driven us to build such a reliable machine that just is a very good piece of craftsmanship.
And it's not just machines you've got in your stand though, you've also got tooling.
That's right. Together with TOTIME, we are able to provide a very reliable tool and machine package for the client, which will provide or will guarantee a very good performance to a very good and competitive price. So that's the main idea of all this, our, let's say, participation in this show, to communicate to our clients that ideology from us.
So you've heard it from Lawrence. I'm going to reiterate it, but if you're thinking of coming to these shows and you haven't yet, then you should definitely be coming.